Can I have a huge round of applause for Mr. Jyoti Basu once again? Are you comfortable, sir? Can we start?
Sure.
So, how is Kovalam being, sir? Are you comfortable?
Yeah, very comfortable. Very nice place.
Very nice place. So, I'll just introduce, this is a MAC team and we have our channel partners and our sales officers with us today. So, before we start, I just want to say that Joby sir is truly personifies the accelerating lifestyle that we are telling. He is challenging every situation in his life and never given up. And that is one quality that we will like in all of us and we can surely relate with it. So without much delay, sir, we'll kickstart the session. First of all, I congratulate you for the 4 gold medals that you have won in South Korea, sir. How was the experience about it?
A very nice experience. First time I went to South Korea for World Championship. This is a different event. Formerly I am playing in arm wrestling, but now last 10 months I am preparing in SAI, Bangalore, Sports Authority of India, so that I achieved a historical 4 gold medal for India, para powerlifting.
So that's 4 gold medals in World Para Lifting in Asia Oceanic Championship in Korea, and he was felicitated by none other than Anurag Thakur in Calicut for the same. And this is a very historic gold medal, sir.
Yeah, first time for India. The Paralympic movement, only bronze medal past year's achievement, one Punjab powerlifter. Then now I make history for BPCL for
Can we have a huge round of applause for him? We have a small question answer session. Can anyone here guess his age? How many for 30?
30.
How many for 35? Can I have a guess on his age? 35?
50.
40? 29? 39? He is the sports person who has got maximum medals for India. And his age is 46 and he has just created history. So, people are asking him, why are you not stopping?
Well, I am current national champion, current world medalist, so why?
Yeah.
I'm stopping. I never stop. Within 5 years, I will achieve more for India.
That is the spirit we have with us today. I'm sure we have a lot of questions about what and how he came to the world stage. Do you want to tell us how you developed the passion for sports, sir?
Actually, in my school days, I am studied in a normal school, but that time in intervals, like PT period, everybody goes to ground, but I am not able to play with the normal children because that time no other supporting system for physically challenged people. So you see, I am walking like this. So in my school, main event is football. Without like, how can I play with the normal students? That time, every time I am in gallery, always clapping with other people's playing like that. So that time in childhood, I am so much upset, but I like sports very much. But I am not able to play, say, sometimes in my dreams, like my leg, this is by birth, so I can't change. So some dreams, I saw my leg is growing and I play with the normal children like football, like that, but in reality, after dreaming, I am like this. But I realized I can't play football, but my arms are very strong. So in the age of 6th standard, one of my friend teach me arm wrestling. Then I every every year I play with every students arm wrestling and I became champion those days. Then after 10th I realized that state championship is there, national championship is there. I play with the normal children. Then I achieved in 1993 I started professional arm wrestling. 94 I become a national champion. And then 94 to 2004 continuous I became national champion in normal category.
93 was the year I was born in, by the way. So you have the experience of double my age, sir. So this is your photo from 2005 in Japan.
Yes.
This was one of your first international medals, sir?
First time I went to this championship, world championship. 3 bronze medals I achieved. In normal category 1, disabled category 2 medals for India.
So I would like to specify one point that he has told. He not only won in the specially able category, but also managed to win in the normal category. That is brilliant, sir. How do you get the motivation to do so many sports? Just to mention, he is not just a power lifter, not just a arm wrestler. He is also a fencer. He is also a javelin thrower, shot put thrower, and many more sports. I think he will have to make us count.
Yeah.
Are there any that are missed out, sir?
First wheelchair fencer in India, then arm wrestling, badminton, shot put, javelin, discus, swimming, table tennis, powerlifting.
I think that deserves a round of applause. Huge round of applause. 9 sports.
I am a multi-sports person.
I doubt any of us here can play more than 5 sports and excel in it at the stage that he has excelled. That's really great, sir. So, tell me something about what were the difficulties you have faced when you have grown up. And I know you are from Pala, that is in Kottayam.
Yes.
It is compared to Kochi and Trivandrum, not a big city.
Yeah, I came from a village. It's called Adukam. It's a Kottayam, eastern side of Kottayam, Adukam. Nobody knows about Adukam. It's a hill area. That time, my house was on hilltop. Every day, 1 kilometer I walk like this in hill down. Then around 6 kilometer to bus stop. Every day I walk around 40,000 times.
There is 1 kilometer to the mountain and then 6 kilometers to the bus stop. 7 kilometers he has to walk like this.
Then only I reached my bus stop. Then I goes to school. In first standard, my mother carried in hip. Then after my weight is increased, so she can't carry. And one more thing, my father passed away in the age of 5. So I have a sister. So every time sister support me so much because she is carrying my personal things like additional dress, books, my bag, everything she is carrying. So that time was very difficult because walk with the hand is very difficult because I am in 60 kilo. 40, can you imagine 40,000 times walk with the hand is very difficult. Those days in my village, no roads, no electricity, no basic facilities. So
you have to cross some rivers also.
Yeah. In 8 rivers, I need to cross to bus stop. So because wooden bridge is there, but with the coconut trees, but I can't manage. I can't run with that bridges. So I enter a river and swim 8 rivers. Then only I
So before he leaves in the morning, his sister goes and keeps the dress in a shop. After crossing these rivers and mountains,
really,
he goes there, changes, and then goes to school in bus. So